This man earns more than many Hollywood movie stars. But he doesn't act in movies. He doesn't sing songs. Yet he makes millions every year. His name is Ryan Seacrest, and his success story can change how you think about money and career. Stay till the end, because one lesson from his life can completely change your future. Ryan Seacrest is one of the most powerful media personalities in the world. He is a TV host, radio star, producer, and businessman. You may know him from American Idol, Live with Kelly, his famous radio shows. But most people don't know how he built this empire. Let's go back to the beginning. Ryan Seacrest was not born rich. No powerful connections. No shortcuts. As a teenager, he loved radio. While other kids played games, Ryan was learning how microphones work. At 16 years old, he worked at a local radio station. Not as a star, but behind the scenes. Cleaning, learning, observing. Many people laughed at his dreams. Some told him, "This industry is too competitive." But Ryan didn't quit. He believed one thing: if I stay long enough, I will win. Years later, Ryan got a big opportunity. A new show was launching, American Idol. Millions would watch it, but nobody knew if it would succeed. Ryan took the risk. At first, people didn't even notice him. Judges and singers got all the attention. But Ryan stayed professional, calm, and consistent. Slowly, he became the face of the show. That one opportunity changed his entire life. Here's why Ryan Seacrest is different. He doesn't depend on one income. He earns money from hosting TV shows, daily radio programs, producing TV content, brand partnerships, smart business investments. While others waited for chances, Ryan created systems. This is a billionaire mindset. Never depend on one source of income. Ryan Seacrest is known for discipline. He wakes up early, plans every hour, works on multiple projects daily. He believes consistency beats talent. Long-term thinking beats fast success. Showing up every day creates luck. Even after decades of success, he still works like a beginner. That's why he never disappears. Ryan Seacrest is worth hundreds of millions of dollars, but his lifestyle is not crazy or loud. He invests more than he spends. He focuses on building, not showing off. This teaches us something important. Real wealth is silent. Here are powerful lessons from Ryan Seacrest's life. Start before you feel ready. Learn skills, not just degrees. One opportunity can change everything. Multiple incomes protect your future. Stay consistent even when nobody notices. If you are young, this is your advantage. Time. Ryan Seacrest didn't become successful overnight. He stayed patient. He stayed disciplined. He stayed hungry. While others quit, he stayed. And that's the real secret. Success is not about speed. It's about staying power. If you want more billionaire mindset stories that can change your life, subscribe to the 5 Years Billionaire. Because the decisions you make today will decide who you become tomorrow.